Very good evening to all of you. You may unmute your mic and you may speak to me. So myself, Vinay Pathak, Chief Information Officer at Prime Skill. And today I'm here just to have interaction with you all regarding your ongoing training program, how it is going to help you for your future career, and if you're looking for job, master degree, or your own startup in civil industry, then how this internship is going to help you. So it's I think almost 10 days you have crossed. I would like to know from your side how was the experience, how this internship was quite different from your college study. So one by one you may unmute yourself, you may switch on your video also, and you may speak to me. I'm waiting for your reply, please.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yes, sir. Myself, Vijay Bhaskar.
Yeah, hello Vijay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Vijay. So how was your experience of this internship program as of now?
As of now, it was really very good, sir, and I was learning new things. These are really very new to me.
Okay, great.
I didn't aware of them. I mean, I know about Revit, but I didn't use that software before, and I don't know about them.
Okay.
So, ma'am was clearly explaining, and she was telling like, I mean, very ground level. I mean, she was telling more, and we are learning like very basic concepts and everything.
Okay, great.
And that models which she thought about AutoCAD, and she was moving them to Revit and showing 3D models, and everything was really good, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Alright, one more thing I would like to know. As you are attending online classes since last 1.5 years, so how was this experience of online learning? How it was different from your regular college classes?
Both were like same, but this was like software, no, sir. That's why she was teaching like telling everything and teaching. It was like practical method. But in classes they were like directly writing on the iPad, or they were showing PDFs and everything. In classes we can't experience that practical or that experienced knowledge.
Oh, thank you so much, Bhaskar. Thank you for appreciating, man. Okay. So yeah, anyone else would like to share your feedback? Say Triana, Manisha, any of you?
Here, myself Manisha.
Hi Manisha, good evening. Yes, Manisha, tell me.
Yeah, this internship is so good, sir, and Rita Prakash ma'am is teaching so well from the basics. But as we are new to software, it is difficult to learn ourselves, and as the laptop is troubling, we are unable to practice on it. So will you keep the recordings after the course, sir, permanently?
Yes. We are going to provide it for a long term. So this is support from our side, okay? We want you guys not only to learn but also to apply. So this is the concept, you are learning concept and you are going to apply also. And you are going to make projects, and this will help you to build your portfolio. So portfolio is the only concept which is going to provide you a placement in future. Or you can see the paid internship, or it can be a research opportunity in the industry. Without having the project experience, no one is going to provide you a chance for interview also, right? Because you're providing like you, there are around 8 to 10 students from your college that are attending this internship. Now talk about the rest of 170 students who are not into internship. They are also going to say their resume, they are also going to provide, okay, they know this software, they know this tool, right? But when it comes to your portfolio, there will be something different. You are going to mention you had worked on these two models, three models, whatever models you work, and you can explain it perfectly. Because as you are telling, you learn the concept from scratch. How to make the planning first in AutoCAD, and how to take the planning into Revit, convert into models and all, right? So this is going to help, you can say, impress the interviewers or the people who are looking to hire you. So you will have better opportunity as compared to other candidates who miss this learning opportunity from our side. So,
I have asked the recorded videos. You keep it permanently or until a certain period?
Just certain period, but that period will be enough for you, okay, to have wonderful knowledge of this tool.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Alright, Manisha, thank you for your feedback. Does anyone else would like to share your feedback?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Myself, Pratyusha.
Yeah.
This internship is very good, sir. In previous week, we are conducting CPM workshop. We happy to this workshop. That's why we may pay attention for this internship.
Okay.
We learn more things in software, sir. This is the first basic software we learn, sir. We're happy to learn all these things, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, great.
Hello, sir.
Good evening,
Hello.
sir.
Good evening.
Hello.
Yes, sir, please.
Good evening, sir. My name is Sadasivan.
Yes, sir.
Sir, this is my first internship, and
Okay. How was
very
the
excellent, sir.
experience?
I feel very good, sir.
Okay.
It gives me better knowledge, sir.
Okay, great. Sadasivam, you are in which year right now?
Thanks. Sir,
You are in which year right now? Second year or third year?
well, sir, I am not an engineer, but I am an intermediate student.
Okay, you are a PUC student.
Sir, I am from IIIT, sir.
Okay, triple IT which year? Means you are studying in which year right now?
PUC 1, sir.
PUC 1, wonderful, okay. So ma'am, I really appreciate your effort. A student from PUC only, is not even doing first year of engineering, understood everything, whatever you taught. So this is like amazing. The student who is not from civil background can understand all the concepts.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right, yeah. So I think Pravalika, she also want to say something.
Sir.
Yes, tell me.
Hello.
Yes, Pravalika. Tell me.
This experience was a great, sir, and ma'am was teaching style is very effective and simple that we can understand easily.
Okay, perfect. And Pravalika, you are from which year? Second year or third year?
Second year, sir.
Second year. Okay,
Yes,
that's
sir.
really great. So now, can you define me how this internship is gonna help you in future to get some paid internship, research project from industry?
Actually, I'm interested in interior designing, sir.
Okay.
So it's gonna help me in designing sites, sir.
That's really great. So can you explain me what all things you learned about the designing, modeling and interior designing in this internship?
Because of this session, I have created a model in 2D and 3D version, both in Revit, sir.
Okay, nice. So thank you so much. It was really wonderful feedback from all the students, and I found like in overall the student with the help of this internship, they are able to make their mini project, major project. They are able to understand the practical application of it in every concept which they are learning in civil engineering. I can also understand from you guys that this internship is going to help you in future to get a wonderful job because you are having something different portfolio as compared to other candidates who just know what is AutoCAD, who just know what is Revit and how to operate. But here, you learn how to apply this tool to make a real life project, to make a models for your customer, for your client, for the industry. So thank you so much everyone. It was really wonderful interaction with you all. Thank you. And you can continue your class.